Okay, so a lot of people said the Concavex disc works just fine on the squeegee. However, they're having problems using it, and that's because of the angle on the handle to the disc. And here we'll show you how to adjust it to the correct angle so you can use it much easier. So first off, you have to mark a template, and we've used the protractor as you can see here, and we'll show you the drawing. So as you can see, we've got the template, and I'll just show you. This is the angle of the handle, the original handle, that's 40 degrees, and the other one is after we've bent it, and it's 25 degrees. And now we'll proceed in showing you how we done it. So as you can see, I've just started the heat gun up, and what the idea is to heat around this edge here, and I'll just speed it up a little bit. So now we just put it in the vise like this, and just bend it back and just hold it like that. As you can see, it's quite hot. You can see the plastic melting there. That's why I'm wearing gloves. But you hold it for a while, and then you use your template to get the correct angle while it's still pliable, and you can just fold it by hand, and that's the way it's done. And I hope this has helped anyone that's got the problem with the handle on the Concavex disc. And well, I suppose that's about it.